All right, team, weather's colder than expected. Watch the cables.
Goose, the cable's frozen stiff. That's gonna mess with the plan.
We'll handle it. Let me anchor the rig while you figure a way around.
Stay steady, Lion Cub. Motorbike, spot a new route, fast!
Got it. Scanning the lines now. Hang tight.
The rig's holding for now, but the wind's picking up. Found it. A diagonal pull would bypass the frozen section.
That's a big risk. Are you sure it'll hold?
Trust Motorbike. I'll lock the rig tighter to counterbalance.
Fine. Motorbike, guide us in. Lion Cub, keep the rig steady.
The lines are shaking badly. Pull slow, no sudden moves.
Sliding hook. Watch your angle, Goose.
Clock's ticking. We need to settle the cargo safely now.
One clean move. Diagonal pull, steady and smooth. Let's go for it.
I'm locked in. Ready when you are.
All right, here we go. Pulling now. Easy, easy.
Looking good. Keep it steady. Almost there.
Cargo's stable. Lock it in.
It's settled. Great work, team. That was close.
Whew. Next time, let's plan for these conditions in advance.
Lesson learned. Stay calm, think smart, and work together.